Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat at muli po tayo nagbabalik. This is Arjun TV Vlog. So introducing the new Mio Gear 125S with the stop and start system. So ito ay class B. So voluntary surrender sa aming dating customer. So napakaangas pa. Pwedeng pang service, dual purpose, pang business. So bago yan, bigyan nating silip ang kanyang specs, function at benefits. Tara, let's go! So si Mio Gear S, engine type niya is air-cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam at 2 valve with cylinder arrangement of single cylinder. At displacement naman ito is 125cc. Boring stroke size, meron siyang 52.4 by 57.9 mm at compression ratio of 9.5 by 1 at maximum horsepower is 7.0 kilowatts at average of 8,000 rpm. Maximum torque naman niya, meron siyang 9.6 Newton meter at average of 5,500 rpm. So starting system niya, electric starter at kick starter. Engine oil capacity volume, meron siyang 784 liters. At fuel supply system is fuel injection. Right? It's type with price centrifugal show at transmission type of V-belt automatic. So is RP price nito is 73,000. Kapag mag-installment ka naman, mag-down ka lang ng 3,500 at sa 3 years monthly mo is 3,200 at may rebate na 200. Murang-mura lang ito. Bagay ito pang beginners. Frame type naman ito is underborne. Front suspension is telescopic fork. At sa kanyang ignition system is TCI, transistor control ignition. So napakaangas rin ang kanyang headlight. Meron siyang park light. Headlight niya is LED. Turn signal light is bulb type. So front, dito naman tayo ngayon sa kanyang harapan. Naka single pot caliper, single hydraulic disc brake. At size ng kanyang gulong is 80 by 80 by 14. So tubeless type. So ito ang kanyang Mio Gear 3D emblem. Naka blue core, more power and less fuel. So punta tayo ngayon sa left side. Makikita ang high beam, low beam sa kanyang headlight, turn signal left from right at saka horn. Back brake. Sa right side naman makikita ang throttle, front brake, stop and start system na nagbibigay tipid sa pagkonsumo ng iyong battery at iyong gasolina at ang kanyang built-in safety hazard. So warning lang, kailangan lang gamitin ang built-in safety hazard kapag mayroong sira sa iyong Yamaha Mio Gear S. At meron din siyang double hawk side. Pag meron kang pinamili sa palengke, mga supot or helmet, pwede siyang malagyan. Meron siyang electric power socket, pwede kang mag-charge gamit ang iyong cellphone. Kasi meron siyang 12 volts at 12 watts. So ito naman ang kanyang analog panel board. So ito ang kanyang odometer, 3,110 pa ang takbo. Ang fuel gauge, eco indicator, engine check indicator. So sa rear suspension niya is unit swing. So tubeless na rin ang kanyang gulong sa likuran. Rear brake is mechanical drum brake. So sa taillight niya is halogen bulb type. So ito ang kanyang muscular muffler at muffler cover. So Yamaha Mio Gear S decals, reflectorized decal stickers. So ito kanyang wide footboard with flexible riding position at meron siya side-by-side anti-scratch protect. Boots. So meron din siyang anti-tip lock para iwas nakaw or mapagtripan. Ang yung Yamaha Mio Gear S, meron siyang magnet. Down mo lang. So kapag mag-open ka ng yung toolbox, turn to the left. Fuel tank capacity is 4.2 liters. Recommended gas na isa lang is unleaded. Na kanyang battery. Luggage compartment. Malagyan to ng kapote. Mga gloves. So, ito naman ang kanyang redefined seat at grab bar. So, kapit na kapit. Kahit naka-short or naka-long pants ka pa. Kapit na kapit. Start na natin. Pare na ako. Shout out. Watch out sa kapare ko. Ang si paring Joey ng LWRT Bongko. So, punta tayo ngayon sa kanyang dimension, sa kanyang overall levy. That meron siyang 1,870 mm by 685 mm by 1,060 mm. Sa seat height, meron siyang 750 mm at wheelbase na may 1,260 mm. Minimum ground clearance of 135 mm. So, nagtitimbang ito ng napakagaan lang, 95 kilos. Katumbas ng isang sakong bigas. Other benefits niya, middle panel niya is analog at meron siyang stop and start system. So, still available sa aming showroom sa Yamaha Motor Hub in front of 7-Eleven Tibongco, Davao City. We cater cash installment and online application. Look, your trusty DJ, John Ripolio, at ako na ang bahala sa inyo. Pass approval ito. So that's all for today. Sana nakatulong ako sa pagbibigay ko ng idea sa inyo. Ride safe, keep safe, and always wear a 7 senses when you drive.